Have you ever noticed that some people seem to attract opportunities, happiness, success, and abundance wherever they go, while others appear to struggle no matter how hard they work? Is it luck? Is it coincidence? Or is there something deeper happening beneath the surface? This is where the law of attraction enters the conversation. It is one of the most talked about universal principles in the world of personal development, spirituality, and mindset. Yet it is also one of the most misunderstood concepts. Many people believe the law of attraction is simply about wishing for something and expecting the universe to deliver it. Others dismiss it entirely because they think it is magical thinking. The truth lies somewhere in between. The law of attraction is not about magic. It is about understanding how your thoughts, emotions, beliefs, actions, and energy work together to shape your experience of life. Whether you believe in spiritual energy, neuroscience, psychology, or a combination of all three, one thing is undeniable: your mindset influences your choices, your behaviors, your resilience, and ultimately your results. This video will explain the law of attraction in the simplest possible way so that anyone, regardless of their background, can understand how to apply its principles wisely and realistically. Imagine your mind as a powerful radio station. Every thought you think sends out a signal. Every emotion strengthens that signal. The frequency you consistently broadcast influences what you pay attention to, how you interpret events, how you interact with others, and what opportunities you recognize. This doesn't necessarily mean the universe grants every wish instantly. Instead, your mental and emotional state affects your perceptions, decisions, persistence, and relationships, which can significantly influence outcomes over time. Think about buying a new car. Before deciding on a particular model, you may have barely noticed it on the roads. Suddenly, after deciding to buy one, you begin seeing that same car everywhere. Did thousands of new cars appear overnight? Of course not. Your brain simply started paying attention to something that had become important to you. Psychologists call this selective attention, and it illustrates how our focus shapes what we notice. The law of attraction encourages you to intentionally focus on what you want rather than constantly dwelling on what you fear or dislike. One of the biggest misunderstandings about the law of attraction is believing that thoughts alone create reality. Thoughts certainly matter, but they are only the beginning. Thoughts influence emotions. Emotions influence decisions. Decisions influence habits. Habits influence actions. Actions create results. In this sense, your inner world becomes the foundation for your outer world. Let's consider two people applying for the same job. One constantly thinks, I'll probably fail. I'm not qualified enough. Someone better will get selected. The other believes, I'll prepare thoroughly, give my best, learn from the process, and trust that the right opportunity will come. Both may face the same interview questions, but their confidence, body language, preparation, communication, and persistence are likely to be very different. The second person's mindset creates behaviors that improve the chances of success. The law of attraction begins with clarity. Most people spend far more time thinking about what they don't want than what they actually desire. They say, I don't want debt. I don't want stress. I don't want failure. I don't want toxic relationships. While these concerns are understandable, they do not create a compelling vision of the future. Instead, ask yourself, what do I truly want? Do you want financial freedom, better health, meaningful relationships, peace of mind, career growth, a balanced lifestyle? The clearer your vision, the easier it becomes to align your actions with it. Visualization is another widely discussed practice within the law of attraction. Some assume visualization is merely daydreaming, but effective visualization is much more intentional. Elite athletes have used mental rehearsal for decades. Before competitions, they imagine every movement, every challenge, and every successful outcome. This mental practice improves confidence and prepares the brain for real world performance. Similarly, visualizing your goals helps your mind become familiar with success and motivates consistent action. Emotions play an equally important role. According to law of attraction teachings, emotions amplify the signals you send into the world. Whether or not you interpret this spiritually, emotions undeniably influence behavior. Someone filled with gratitude tends to communicate differently, build stronger relationships, and remain more resilient during setbacks than someone consumed by resentment or fear. Gratitude shifts attention toward existing resources rather than constant scarcity. Gratitude does not require pretending everything is perfect. Instead, it means acknowledging what is already working while continuing to pursue improvement. You can appreciate your current job while working toward a better one. You can value your health while striving for greater fitness. Gratitude and ambition can coexist beautifully. Beliefs are another foundational component. Every person carries conscious and unconscious beliefs about money, relationships, success, intelligence, and self-worth. Many of these beliefs originate during childhood through family experiences, education, culture, and repeated life events. If someone grows up hearing that wealthy people are selfish or that success always comes through suffering, these beliefs may unconsciously limit future choices. The law of attraction encourages identifying limiting beliefs and replacing them with empowering ones. For example, instead of saying, money is difficult to earn, one might gradually adopt the belief, money is created through value, learning, and consistent effort. Instead of thinking, I'm unlucky, replace it with, I can improve my opportunities by growing my skills and remaining persistent. Such shifts influence motivation and behavior over time. Affirmations are often used to reinforce empowering beliefs. However, affirmations are most effective when they feel believable and inspire constructive action. Repeating, I am a billionaire, while ignoring reality may create internal resistance. On the other hand, affirmations such as, I am becoming more confident every day, I learn from every experience, or I consistently improve my financial habits, are more likely to encourage meaningful change because they connect with achievable progress. Another important principle is emotional alignment. Suppose someone says they want financial abundance, but every time they think about money they feel anxiety, guilt, jealousy, or hopelessness. These emotions influence decisions such as avoiding investments, procrastinating on learning new skills, or missing opportunities. Developing healthier emotional associations with money through education, gratitude, and responsible financial habits creates better alignment between goals and actions. The law of attraction also emphasizes the importance of acting as if. This concept is often misunderstood. Acting as if does not mean pretending to own a luxury mansion while ignoring unpaid bills. It means behaving consistently with the identity of the person you wish to become. If you want to become healthy, begin making choices a healthy person would make. If you wish to become financially responsible, start budgeting, saving, and learning about investments. If you desire confidence, practice speaking confidently even before you feel completely fearless. Identity shapes behavior. When your daily habits match your desired future self, progress becomes natural rather than forced. Patience is another essential ingredient. We live in an era of instant gratification, but meaningful transformation usually happens gradually. A tree does not grow overnight. Neither do businesses, relationships, careers, or personal confidence. The law of attraction is not about demanding immediate results. It is about consistently nurturing the conditions that allow success to grow. Setbacks are inevitable. Many people abandon their dreams after one rejection, one failed business, or one disappointing experience. However, those who eventually succeed often interpret failures differently. Instead of seeing them as proof they are incapable, they treat them as feedback. Every obstacle becomes an opportunity to improve. Consider famous inventors, entrepreneurs, athletes, and artists. Their journeys are filled with rejection and disappointment. Yet persistence, learning, and adaptation eventually produced extraordinary achievements. The law of attraction encourages maintaining faith in your vision while remaining flexible about the path. One practical technique involves writing your goals in the present tense. Instead of saying, "Someday I want confidence," write, "I am becoming a confident communicator who speaks clearly and calmly." Read these statements daily. Over time, they influence your subconscious expectations and encourage behaviors consistent with those expectations. Meditation also supports the law of attraction by quieting mental noise. Our minds constantly generate thousands of thoughts every day. Many are repetitive worries, self-criticisms, or distractions. Meditation creates space between thoughts and reactions. This increased awareness allows you to choose more empowering perspectives rather than automatically following negative mental patterns. Mindfulness complements this process beautifully. Rather than constantly worrying about the future or regretting the past, mindfulness anchors attention in the present moment. Since every meaningful action happens in the present, mindfulness increases effectiveness and reduces unnecessary anxiety. One common question is whether negative thoughts automatically attract negative experiences. Fortunately, occasional negative thoughts are completely normal. Every human experiences fear, sadness, frustration, or doubt. The issue is not having occasional negative thoughts but allowing them to become permanent mental habits. When you notice negative thinking, acknowledge it without judgment and gently redirect your attention toward constructive possibilities. Surrounding yourself with positive influences also matters. The people you spend time with influence your beliefs, habits, expectations, and emotional state. Encouraging friends inspire growth. Negative environments often reinforce fear and limitation. While you cannot always change everyone around you, you can intentionally choose books, podcasts, mentors, communities, and educational content that nourish optimism and learning. Language is another powerful factor. Pay attention to how you speak about yourself. Statements like, "I'm terrible with money," "I'm always unlucky," or "nothing ever works out" reinforce limiting identities. Replace them with language that reflects growth. Instead of saying, "I'm bad at public speaking," say, "I'm learning to become a confident speaker." Small changes in language gradually influence self-perception. The law of attraction is often associated with abundance. Abundance extends far beyond money. It includes abundant health, abundant friendships, abundant creativity, abundant opportunities, abundant peace, abundant knowledge, and abundant love. Someone with millions of dollars but constant stress may not truly experience abundance. Real abundance combines external success with internal fulfillment. Generosity also plays an important role. When people contribute value, help others, share knowledge, or express kindness, they strengthen feelings of abundance rather than scarcity. This generosity often builds stronger relationships and unexpected opportunities over time. Many successful individuals naturally practice principles similar to the law of attraction without necessarily using that term. They set clear goals. They visualize success. They maintain optimistic attitudes. They learn continuously. They take consistent action. They adapt after failure. They express gratitude. They surround themselves with supportive people. These habits reinforce one another. One useful daily practice is creating a morning routine. Begin each day with a few minutes of gratitude. Visualize your most important goal. Read your affirmations. Meditate for 10 minutes. Exercise your body. Review your priorities. This intentional beginning influences your mental state throughout the day. Similarly, an evening routine allows reflection. Ask yourself, what went well today? What did I learn? What progress did I make? What can I improve tomorrow? This habit shifts attention from perfection toward continuous improvement. Journaling is another effective tool. Writing clarifies thoughts that otherwise remain vague. Record your dreams, goals, emotions, challenges, victories, and lessons. Over time, you will notice recurring patterns in your thinking and behavior. Awareness creates the possibility for change. Another principle often overlooked is receiving. Many people know how to work hard but struggle to receive compliments, opportunities, support, or help from others. Receiving requires believing that you are worthy of good things. Developing healthy self-worth allows you to accept opportunities without guilt or self-sabotage. Forgiveness also contributes to emotional freedom. Holding on to resentment consumes enormous emotional energy. Forgiveness does not excuse harmful behavior or require reconciliation. Instead, it allows you to release the emotional burden so that your attention can return to creating the future rather than reliving the past. The law of attraction is sometimes criticized because it appears to blame people for every difficulty they experience. This is neither compassionate nor accurate. Many life circumstances are influenced by factors beyond individual control, including accidents, illness, economic conditions, discrimination, and unexpected events. The law of attraction should never be used to judge or blame people facing hardship. Instead, it serves as a framework for focusing on the aspects of life that are within our influence, our mindset, habits, responses, learning, and actions. Think of the law of attraction as planting a garden. You cannot control the weather, but you can choose the seeds, prepare the soil, water consistently, remove weeds, and care for the plants. External conditions matter, yet your consistent effort dramatically increases the likelihood of a healthy harvest. Faith is another recurring theme. Faith does not necessarily mean religious belief, although many people integrate both. Faith simply means trusting that today's consistent efforts will eventually produce tomorrow's results, even when immediate evidence is limited. Every entrepreneur, athlete, scientist, artist, and student relies on this form of faith. Consistency always outperforms intensity. A single day of enthusiasm accomplishes little without ongoing commitment. Small actions repeated daily create remarkable transformations over months and years. Reading 10 pages each day becomes dozens of books. Saving a small amount regularly builds wealth. Exercising consistently strengthens the body. Meditating daily calms the mind. The law of attraction ultimately invites us to become intentional creators rather than passive observers of our lives. Instead of reacting automatically to circumstances, we consciously choose our thoughts, emotions, beliefs, language, habits, and actions. This shift gradually transforms both our internal experience and our external reality. If you are completely new to the law of attraction, Start with 5 simple daily practices. Spend 5 minutes expressing gratitude. Visualize your biggest goal for another 5 minutes. Repeat a few empowering affirmations. Take one meaningful action toward your dream every day. End each evening by reflecting on your progress and lessons learned. These small habits may seem simple, but practiced consistently, they reshape the way you think, feel, and act. Remember that the law of attraction is not about escaping reality. It is about engaging with reality more consciously. It encourages hope instead of helplessness, possibility instead of limitation, gratitude instead of constant lack, and purposeful action instead of passive wishing. Your thoughts plant the seed. Your emotions nourish the seed. Your beliefs protect the seed. Your actions help it grow. Your persistence allows it to flourish. And over time, the life you experience increasingly reflects the person you choose to become. The universe may not promise instant miracles, but it consistently rewards clarity, commitment, growth, resilience, kindness, gratitude, and purposeful action. When your thoughts, emotions, beliefs, and daily actions work together in harmony, you naturally create greater opportunities for success, fulfillment, and inner peace. The greatest secret of the law of attraction is perhaps the simplest of all: become the person who is ready for the life you desire. As you grow, your choices improve. As your choices improve, your results improve. And as your results improve, you inspire others to begin their own journey of conscious creation. Every extraordinary life begins with a single empowering thought followed by consistent action. Your journey starts today.